Hi there. Hope everybody's doing great today. Uh, this is video number 4, and what we're going to talk about today is driving traffic. Let me get out of the way here. This is the website that we're going to look at today. It's called Azuryounique.net. Kind of a tricky word to say. Uh, when you first go to the website, and again, I'll be sending out emails and giving you this website address, but it is asyouareunique.net, just like it shows up here. Okay, it's going to ask you to log in, obviously, once you first go to the site. And let's see, we get show you what that looks like here. There we go. Sign up free. Gives you some of the features and the things that you'll be able to do. A lot of things you can do on the site, as well as drive traffic. You can also make some income. Okay, but you do need to refer people to this. Your people in your downline, they want to use this strategy of what we call traffic exchanges for making income, as well as for getting our links out and getting clicks, getting signups, getting views, all that sort of thing. This is one of several sites that we'll be using. Down here is your dashboard, so to speak, so where to start at. Um, one of the first things you want to do is you want to edit your profile, upload a picture, a mug, put in your details, password, all that sort of thing. Want to get that done first, and then you want to edit your business card, and these links will show on your main profile front page and also show in the members area to all your referrals, all your people that you referred to. So it's just a matter of pasting in these things. You just get some text off of a splash page, and that's what I did here. Grab this free biz, get paid every Wednesday, and this is my link to the stuff lander. Remember the stuff, you got stuff, and then you got the other one's called millions. That's what this one goes to. This one goes to the second one, all going to promote CTFO through our system. And this is another site like this. It's called the Conversion Pros. Residual income free system. Put your business on autopilot. Again, well, that actually is the generic version of getting people into the Conversion Pros. Just simply selling that system, and once you get them in there, then you can switch them into different a different one of your autoresponders, whether you want to push CTFO if they're in United States and Canada, and soon we're going to be in Europe, in England and Wales and Ireland. That's going to be awesome. There's another one, another website, Infinity Traffic Boost, that I'll be showing you. And again, you just pick something off of that particular site and put it on here as a teaser. Free list building, no list, no money, and this is Global Moneyline. Okay, so that's what you want to do there. You want to fill in that. You want to there's some. They've also got a Facebook page. These are some teams apparently that they've set up. Uh, okay, and here's where your referral link will show up. That's my referral link right there. I'll be putting that in the email to you because I want you to join me and our team. Here's the referral link. Here it is right here. Okay, you can add tracking codes to it. Uh, this is something else you can do. Email and form signature. If you're going to get to these are ways that you could. These are some text ads that you can work. To give you examples, what you would do is copy this and paste it onto a notepad, and then when you went to another site that allows you to put in the text ads, that's just giving you an example of a different kind of wording for text ads you can do. Also giving you examples of what you want to tweet. If you have a Twitter account and you want to get the word out through that. Thank you ads, just giving you all kinds of different ways of promoting it. Copy and paste this code into the body of your website. If you have a website, put this in here, and that will help advertise. And then it'll list the referrals. I have just one. Thank you, Debbie. And you want to pass this along to your team so that they will get, be in your downline. Okay, well, add code, referral link, we did that. My referrals, my commissions, it'll show you in the year any income as you make it. Here's the thing we want to check out, a referral contest that they're having. Set up ads and view stats. Okay. These are the banners ads that I put together. You get an idea, you can edit these. That's what the banner looks like. Okay, what you do is when you go to this one here, and with this other one that I'll be showing you, Start My Traffic, you get their referral link, and you get their banner ad link for this, well, in one way, for this actual picture, and that will, let's go back here. There's two things to a banner. There's the, so right here. Okay, you want banner name. That's just so you can keep track of it and know what it is. The banner URL, that's the URL for the image. And usually they'll have images in the URL. Okay, so it gives you the size and so forth. You need that link, and then this is the target URL. That's where people click on, and they will then go to your site. So once they click on the banner, they will automatically go to this. And again, I'll show you in the future ones how to get those two pieces of information: the banner name, the banner URL, and the target URL. Sometimes they're all combined together, but I can show you how to separate them. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, that's the other thing I'm going to show you. It also shows you the stats. These are the banner ads that I've done, that I have posted. This one hasn't got any. This one's got 3 clicks, 1. Banners don't get as clicked as well as web pages. You can also create the text links. Okay, and you get, at my particular one, I get 5,000. And I've got 4 clicks, 3 clicks. And here you get an example of a text ad, what it looks like. Again, when you click on it to fill them out, you just put that, and then you put a link, and then those are text ads that will appear on this site. Let's go back and we can look at some others. See, I think they allow you 5 of them. You can allow, on this particular site, you're allowed 1 full page surf ad. That when you go surfing or others go surfing, they will see your ad. I've got maximum displays 2,500, 10 displays, 10 clicks. Again, the full page ad. This is what I submit. Infinity traffic boost, Bitcoin for surfing, and that's the link for that particular page. Okay, now let's see, we'll get to the part here where we can, so that's where you set up the ads. Find that here. Okay, set up ad view stats. Okay, that's the same one. I'll show you here. Where is it here? I think with this site is a little bit tricky, and here we go. Okay, you can purchase ads. You can purchase them with PayPal, or you also will get credit. So like here, the price is $1 for 1,000 credits per 1,000 banner impressions. I can purchase using my credits that I have. And See up here, they'll show you where your credits are. Go back home. Okay. These are the membership levels and the credits that you get. When you come in as free, which everybody does, these are the things that you get automatically free first time, 1,000 down here. Okay, you can upgrade to these different levels and pay a monthly fee and get more credits. I upgraded first to this one. I get 25,000 credits and all these other credits. And then this tells you step by step what to do. Grab your free ads. You get your $50 complete free ads when you join it as free. And then you can earn credits. You set up your advertising view stats. Viral code, that would be again if you had a website. And then you utilize their affiliate tools. And that's how you can advertise Azuryounique on other sites. Okay, and then simply you can, of course, upgrade your account. Okay, see if there's anything else here that's of importance. You can get rewards for doing social things, manage your rewards, buy reward slots. Okay, and then you can, let's see, where is the surfing, codes. To earn, oh, here we go. Surf sites. To earn more credits, you want to surf sites. And this is simply how this works. A site will appear, and you will earn 80 credits after 9 seconds. So you got to watch it here for like 9 seconds. You can scroll through the ad. Okay, these are again, that was one that showed one of the banner ads that will appear. Okay, click here to go to members area or go to the next ad. We'll click here again. Okay, and after 13 seconds, it'll take us to another one. So again, we're earning credits by viewing other people's ads, and your ad, these are full page ads, your full page ad that you do will appear to other people. It won't appear to you, but will appear to other people. And a lot of times the text ads will appear here. For some reason or not today. So again, we go to the next ad. And once you get these all set up, what you can do is set up several tabs. Okay, and you just simply go from site to site to site, clicking on surfing, and you will get more. Now, sometimes an ad won't appear for some reason, the link is broken or whatever, but you still get credit for watching that. And here, this is a banner ad of someone's that showed up here, and sometimes the text ads will show up here and up here. And if you find any of these things that are interesting, click on them, because that's what you want people to do to your ads. You don't have to do this. You could just simply go all day and just do nothing but click, go to next ad, go to next ad. I clicked at the wrong place and got back to the home place. But I think you get the idea here. And as you get credits here, this is my credits of 5,050 before I clicked on the 10 ads today. Now, another thing that you can do, which I've done it often, is in the evenings, watching TV. Like the program, but you can multitask. Have your phone in front of you. Put the website up on the phone. I like to hold the phone sideways like this when I'm texting on it, and you just simply push the button, go to next ad, go to next page, go to the next one, and you can easily surf as much as 100 pages, 100 sites in an hour TV show. Okay, so or when you're on your computer, you can set them all up and you can surf them all, kind of multitasking in a way. So okay. So hopefully that gives you an idea. Now stand by for the next video where we'll show you another site. Each site is a little bit different and they offer different features, but I'll show you the ones that I use and the ones that you want to sign up to. So when you watch this video, I'll have in the email that I sent out with this video in it, I will have my link. If you've not signed up with me yet, sign up, and then when you get a chance, when you get the feel of what's going on, and you've got your banner ads and your text ads in, by then you want to upgrade so that you can get more credits, and so more people can view your site. This might be this is again one of our people in our group. I can get you that banner, and you can utilize that one. All right. So again, have a great day. Any questions? Give me a call. Talk to y'all later. Bye bye.